Vadu, this is just a very basic module which I want to put it up on the Heroku app and connect so that at least I could show it to few people around who might give their opinions or who might help me train the model better. So what do I mean by training the model better? Example, suppose a student comes, it is running. I don't know why it is taking so much time. Okay, so now the chatbot is already talking. We have said hi and the chatbot has said hi, and now I will have to ask the questions. Okay, now from a newcomer's point of view, the person is now settled, we assume. Then we say, okay, the next probable questions might be of related to courses. Do not know how to select courses. Can you help? And the response that came is, mentors might be able to help you with this. Their contact details are given on this link, and then we will give them the link. Was this answer useful? See, it is correctly classified because it should have sent mentors. So I said a yes. Then a person might want to know, where can I find the this too is a correct classification. And then all this response with the link will go back to the messenger. So that is the plan. Very simple and interactive thing.